wrote you a letter. Now that I'm here without you.
Hello everyone, thank you for coming back to my channel. I just need y'all to not pay attention to the background. There's stuff that needs to go to recycling, so the focus is over here. But basically, I just got back from, what's today? It's Saturday, August 8th, and I just got back from Marshall. So I wanted to just make some changes to the living room because one, I'm pretty kind of tired of the pillows. I kind of want some wall art that's on that big empty space in the freaking living room, but I think that's gonna take a minute because I really gotta look through and go to different websites and find some stuff that's gonna look good there. But I actually ordered, last night I ordered some black curtains because I'm tired of the white curtains. I ordered some new pillow covers for the big pillows and the small pillows. And then I picked up some candles for the TV unit. So normally I just buy, regular candles from the 99-cent store or the grocery store, whatever. But I go through candles like crazy. Like a regular size candle like this lasts me maybe a week and a half and then it's done. So I'm like, you know what? I need to just get some big old giant candles that's gonna last me a while. And then they're just more appealing, I feel like. So I got this candle from Marshall's just a little while ago. The scent is the scent is peony petals. It just smells really, it smells, let me stop. It smells sweet, but like a sweet, fancy perfume. Like it smells really good. Because at first I was looking through, I wanted to replace the mahogany and teakwood candle, but it's like, I love that scent. Don't get me wrong, I love that smell. However, that candle, I paid $35 for that candle. And let me just compare the sizes for y'all so it can make more sense for you guys. But I know for sure it's like up there, 20-something, $30-something, right? Look at the size of this candle and look at the size of this candle. This candle was $15 at Marshall's. Bath & Body Works, they got some good stuff, but it just made more sense. I get more and I pay less, and it smells amazing. And I bought candles from Marshall's before, so I know that their candles are really good. So the living room is pretty much black, white, orange, right, and gray. So I'm just trying to stay consistent with the decor. So I picked up this candle too. This one is fresh cut gardenia. I don't know. But this smells like, you know how the teak, if you're familiar with the mahogany teakwood smell, it's very intense, very cologne-y, very strong. This has the same type of scent too. It doesn't have the same smell, but it's very rich, very cologne-y, very strong, very high intensity vibes. That's what it's giving me. Like, it smells great. Like, so this is gonna be perfect. So I got this to put on the TV unit, and it's the same size. Yeah, it's by the same brand, DW Home. So another large candle. I hope the camera is capturing how large these candles are because they're huge. This one is by Scentsational. And it's all black, and it's supposed to be a coconut blend wax candle. So this one was $13, and it's like, it's fruity, but it's not annoying. Because you know how some things that smell fruity, like perfume or candles, the smell could be very annoying if it's like really fruity. But it definitely gives you fruity, but not annoying. This candle was $15, so this one was $15. This one was $15, and this one was $13. But they're huge. They're really big. And you know, it's gonna be a vibe. It's gonna be a vibe. But I've been talking too much. Hope you guys were able to capture the prices. Definitely check out Home Goods definitely check out Marshall's for candles because they have a good selection of They have a good selection of candles for good prices. Huge candles that's gonna last you, okay? If you want smaller candles, they got that too. But Marshall's is my favorite place to get candles. I love getting candles from Bath & Body Works. But I like ordering candles from Marshalls too. So yeah. So recording live from the Dusty Cam. But it is August Sunday 9th. I'm about to go for a jog again. I have myself scheduled every week. But I'm actually just about to eat my late ass breakfast. I got my turkey bacon in the oven. It's 2 minutes left. This was the longest 15 minutes of my life. Like, I'm just waiting for my bacon to be done. But yeah, so I'm about to have some bacon. There's some oatmeal, and it's not really tea. I just boiled some hot water and put honey, lemon. So good. So I'm drinking that, and yeah, I'm gonna get ready in a few and then head out. I can feel, even though the AC is on, like standing in front of the window, I can feel it's blazing outside. So hopefully I don't get burnt out so quick. But yeah, that's what I'm doing today. Trying to be consistent. Consistency, period. We trying to be consistent and just keep it pushing. But yeah, I need to learn how to what am I trying to say? I need to learn how to stretch and stuff. Oh, my bacon's done. Yes, my breakfast is ready. I'm about to just eat this up and then head out and go for my run. Alright, you guys, so I have news on top of news. So for one, I just got finished filming my makeup video, and it's Friday, so I'm pretty sure you've probably seen it already. But I want to show you guys how the new curtains, the new pillows, and the candles and all that stuff look. So on Wednesday, my Himalayan salt lamp is supposed to come. I'm just gonna add that somewhere on the TV unit, so that's missing. And I still need some artwork on those empty ass walls, so please bear with me. We are getting there, and you can't just slap anything on the wall, okay? But I want to show you guys how it looks. I'm gonna link the curtains down below because they are thermal something. Basically, it's supposed to help with the sunlight and block out like the heat that comes from the sunlight, and also it makes it easier to like watch TV and stuff if your window is like in front of the TV like mine. So yeah, let me just show you guys that real quick. So this is how it looks. I like how everything just ties in together. If you guys can hear the AC in the back, I apologize, but I ain't turning it off because I will faint here. But that's pretty much just how it looks. And then it just ties into this section over here where we eat at. So I like how everything just ties in together. By the way, this is for Milo. We keep his pads and his doggy stuff in there, his shampoo, everything in there. I think that's really cute, and it's easier than just having everything all over the place. Yeah, so that's what that is. But yeah, everything just ties in together, okay? And you can see me in the back. Ay. You can see me in the back. Ay. Let me stop. You can see me in the back. Ay, ay. You can see me in the back. Ay, ay. I don't know, for some reason I feel like watching The Sitter. Have you guys ever seen that movie, The Sitter, before? It's like a stupid, goofy movie, but it's funny. But yeah, let me go. Excuse me. Sir. Milo. Alright, y'all, so right now it is about 11:30 at night. I just ordered, this is my favorite drink from Checkers. It's called the Big Surf Slushy, right? It's like a blueberry slushy mixed with vanilla ice cream. It made it sound like a weird mix, but it's so good. Like, my first time trying this, and I was like, yo, what is this? So I had ordered 2 of them. If Don makes it home in time, he has 1. If he doesn't, I got 2. Now let me stop. I'm saving him one. I'm not gonna be greedy. I'm actually not even supposed to be drinking this, especially at this time, to be honest. But tonight is cheat night, and I had a healthy pizza. I always wanted to do that thing where like people put their stuff inside the refrigerator, so it gives it like a, I don't know, it does something for the video. Yeah, that's it. Good night. Alright guys, so my salt lamp finally came. It's extremely heavy, I will say. It was in a small box, but I didn't think it was gonna be that heavy, but it's super, super heavy. So I'm about to just find a place on the TV unit to set it up and plug it in and see how it looks. So first of all, it's way bigger than I thought. It was gonna be like way bigger, but I'm happy with it. Let's just turn it on and see. It actually comes with a dimmer, so you can make it as bright as you want it to, but let me just turn it on. I have not turned it on yet. Let me see how it looks. Oh, I mean the dimmer, it doesn't do much. I probably will just use it on high because this is the highest you can go. But then again, it is daytime, so we're gonna see how it looks at nighttime to get like a better first impression. But it definitely is salty, and I like it. Very cool.